Okay, there's a couple things that I do really want you to look for when I open this article up. These are, it's different from a newspaper, but they're articles, they're Time magazine articles online. So when you look at them, there's also going to be some features that you'll see the author using, and I want you to think about those because you might be able to use them in your own article.
Can we see the guy jumping off his face? Aw, I want to see the video. Victor, so can we even see videos on here?
Okay,
Yeah, can you
go ahead, look up here, and tell me what kind of text features we see the author using that you might actually be able to see in your own article.
Maybe in Mexico.
What I want you to focus on right now, we've already heard about this story. We watched a video on it, but it happened.
No, we didn't.
We saw some pictures. We talked about it a little bit.
No, we didn't.
So, right now, you're looking for features that the author's using in their article. Who can share about some text features that they find in their articles? Now, I'm going to take a minute so everybody can look up here and think about some different things that you see the author doing here. And I'll scroll down really slowly so you can look at a couple of them. A couple of things. Who can share with me some different features you see?
Oh.
Noah, what do you see?
Captions.
Okay, good. Right here? Everyone look. That's our caption. Do we see that? What does our caption do for us?
It tells us about
Samir? Okay, good. So when you write your article, you could include a caption to tell your reader about your picture. What else do we see? Alex.
They took a picture of him in outer space, then he jumped from it. So it's kind of like,
Alright, so you're looking at the different pictures.
yeah.
Well, then that's something for you to think about. You can think about how am I going to use pictures in my article to let my reader know about what happened with the Wright brothers. What other features are you seeing? Mark, what are you seeing?
This stuff like,
Okay, do you know what these are called? Let's highlight this one so we can... Who knows what that is called? We actually talked about them with our newspapers. Michael, what is that called? Yeah, that's a heading. So that's exactly what I said. You can use these in your article to let your reader know what that section is going to be about. So let's look from here. What do you think this section is about? Oh, read that heading and tell me what you think that section might be about. Channing?
They did that a long way down. They're trying to emphasize that it was really a long jump.
Okay, so we know that we can infer that this section is probably going to tell us about that jump. You can do the same thing in your article to let your reader know what your section will be. What other features are we seeing in this?
This one? Can we see the video?
What other features do you see in here?
I want to see the
Anderson?
pictures.
Okay, we talked about those pictures. What else? There's something important that no one has said yet about this title. Cody? Yeah, look. What do you notice about the title compared with the rest of the text?
It's bigger, bold.
From somebody who's raising their hand. What do you notice about this text of the title compared with the rest of it? Ben? Yeah, it's bigger text and it's bold. So the title really stands out. That's something to think about too. Okay? Does anyone have something to add about with these text features?
You only see the video?
Samir?
What's your
Okay. Channing, did you have something to add?
Yes, I have something to add. It also has captions at the
Yeah,
bottom.
we have some captions.
That's what I was
And look at
Can you
this,
highlight it?
this section right here. What does that tell you? Is that the title? What does it tell you though?
What's this one about?
Cody? Yeah, it's like a little tiny brief summary so that the readers know exactly what's going to happen in that article. It gives you the title, Missing Space Jump, and then this little section, Austrian skydiver Felix Baumgartner makes a record-breaking 24-mile jump from space. So it's a little sentence to tell you what it's going to be about. Okay. How do you guys think you can use these in your own article?
Every time I try to tell her I gotta write a short summary.
We can talk about homework. Do you guys think these will be things that you can use in your own article? Alex, what do you think? Is this something you might be able to use in your own article?
Yes, cause the test go with the facts of the picture.
You don't even know what
Okay.
we're talking about.
That's not
We can use pictures and titles to go along with our text. Does someone else have thoughts about that? Will you be able to use this when you write your article? These ideas. Shannon?
Yes, you can.
Okay, how? How will they be helpful to you?
Because they can get the main idea of your story out clearly. And it'll help you write better, spell better, and get a 100 on your writing grade.
Okay, we're not going to worry too much about our spelling or the writing grade right now. I just want you to think about how you can use those features to organize your ideas.